Okay, now you are welcome back once again. Now we are dealing with reciprocal and irrational numbers. So I want to combine the two in one so that I can just finish up with this topic once and for all so we can move to another topic. Now look at the questions. Find the reciprocal of 0.125 and the second one says which of these is not a rational number. Let's start from the first question. Question one. Find the reciprocal of 0.125. You know, I told you in the previous video when I was explaining all these terms, reciprocal, rational number, irrational, I've explained them in the previous video. Please, if you are watching my video for the first time, please go and watch the previous video. I've explained all these terms one after the other. Now, I told us that when you are asked in math to find a reciprocal of a particular number, they are only telling you to find the inverse, that you should turn the number upside down. Now, the number you are asked to find the reciprocal of it is not even in form of a fraction. Before you can find the reciprocal of a number, the number must be in form of fraction. However, you can easily change this to fraction by yourself. Those they just want you to, they are trying to text your brain. You understand? It is not in fraction, but you can change it to fraction. You can convert it to fraction by yourself. So 0.125. Let's convert it to fraction. This should give us 125 divided by 1,000. Is that also? Yes, it is so. And 125 divided by 1,000. How many times can 125? Okay, let's break it down little by little so that it doesn't get confused. 5 in 12, we have 2. In 25, we have 5. 5 in 1,000, we have 200. Then this should be 1 over 8 anyway. So 5 in 25, that is 5. In 200, 5 in 20 is 4. 5 here, 1. 5 in 40, this is 80. So we have converted it to fractional. So that means they are indirectly asking us to find the reciprocal of 1 over 8. And when you find the inverse of a particular number, you change it. The one down will come up, the one up will come down. So if the denominator comes up, it becomes 8 over 1. And 8 over 1 is what? Is 8. So when you are asked to find the reciprocal of any number whatsoever, even if it is 2, it will turn to 1 over 2. If it is 3 over 5, it will turn to 5 over 3. That is the reciprocal. Is that understood? Yes, it is understood. We are moving on. Now the second question says, which of these is not a rational number? This question is talking about irrational number. And I already told us in the previous video that irrational number are numbers that cannot be expressed in form of fraction. That is, their exact value cannot be determined. Do you understand? Now, let's be texting all these options. Well, I think this is a jam question anyway. Let's be texting all these options given to us one after the other. Minus 5. Is it irrational number? Yes, it is irrational number because irrational numbers, the exact value of this number is already known. So it is an this is a rational number. Rather, minus 5 is a rational number. Rational number. Square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So it is a rational number. A rational number is a number that their exact value cannot be determined. For instance, when you have something like, when you have a number, do you know that when you, in your calculator, when you press your calculator trying to find a particular value, and the answer you are getting now give you 2.22486212345 and so on. Those are irrational numbers. There are some numbers that are like that. So we also have 3 over 3 over 3 over 4. This is also a rational number because 3 over 3 over 4 will give you exactly 3.7, maybe 3.74 or 3.75. You can confirm that for me. But I know it is 3.7 something. Yeah. So that is that. So if this one is a rational number, this one is a rational number, this one is a rational number, automatically this cannot be a rational number. So option D is the answer. So you can make use of calculator. Let's check from the calculator. Square root of 90, and let's see what we get. Yes, square root of 90 give us 9.486832981 blah 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 blah. That is not a rational. This is a rational number, but you can see that minus 5 equals to minus 5. It's not as if minus 5 give us minus 5.2, 5.4, 8, 9, 10. So this makes it a rational number. Square root of 4 is 2, just 2. Why 3 on number 3 over 4 give us 3.74 is a rational number, because it doesn't give us okay, let me even check. 3 divided by 4. Okay, it gives us 3.75. Well, in the situation whereby this one gives us 3.75321895 and so on, like that. That means, but it gives us exactly 3.75, so it is a rational number. But this one, square root of 90, it gives us a very long number like that. So when you do not have an exact number, exact value like that, it is called a rational number. Any question? No question. Do you understand? Yes, you understand. And if by any way you have a question, please put it in the comment section. I will attend to it. Thank you once again. My name is Mr. Kome, popularly known as Ogobi.